Detailed Project Report (DPR). In this video, we are going to see about Detailed Project Report (DPR). Preparation of a detailed project report is the furthest step in firming up the proposal. When an investment proposal has been approved on the basis of functional report and the proposal is a major proposal, it would be necessary for the detailed project report to firm up the proposal for the capital cost as well as various facilities. It includes examination of technological parameters, description of the technology to be used, broad technical specification, evaluation of the existing resources, schedule plan, general layout, volume of work. Hence, these reports ought to be made before investment is made into project. Thus, the formulation of investment is based on the studies made. These can be considered as pre-investment decision. Detailed project report is prepared only for the investment decision-making approval, but also execution of the project and also preparation of the plan. Feasibility study reports in DPR are project description, planning and implementation of the project, specifications, layouts and flow diagrams. Detailed project report is a complete document for investment decision-making, approval, planning, whereas feasibility study report is a base document for investment decision-making. Service level agreement. A service level agreement (SLA) is a contract between a service provider and a customer that specifies, usually in measurable terms, what services the service provider will furnish. Some metrics that SLAs may specify includes what percentage of the time services will be available, the number of users that can be served simultaneously, specific performance benchmarks to which actual performance will be periodically compared, help desk response time for various classes of problems, usage statistics that will be provided, the SLA records a common understanding about services, priorities, responsibilities, guarantees, and warranties. Each area of service scope should have the level of service defined. The SLA may specify the levels of availability, serviceability, performance, operation, or other attributes of the service such as billing. Change management. The implementation of e-governance programs brings along drastic changes in the routine functioning of day-to-day government. Steps to change management for e-governance learning from Passport Mission Project. The Ministry of External Affairs (MEA) is responsible for issuing of passports to Indian citizens through a network of 37 passport offices across the country and 178 Indian embassies and consulates abroad. A passport is an essential travel document by effective use of information and communication technology. A citizen registers on the passport form and also schedules an appointment to visit the nearest Passport Seva Kendra. On the appointed day, he reaches the Passport Seva Kendra, where he is guided through the application process up to granting in 7 easy steps. Starting with a thorough security check, he enters the pre-processing area. At the pre-processing area, his appointment slip and documents are checked by the staff and a token is issued. He proceeds to a comfortable waiting lounge. Here he can enjoy several facilities. While waiting for token number to appear on one of the electronic displays. When his token number is displayed, citizen proceeds to the stage 1 processing counter. At this counter, citizen demographic data is verified by the citizen service executives. This counter is also equipped for document scanning, biometric scanning, photography and collecting the passport application fee. He next proceeds to the application verification zone. Here, officials from the passport office verify his documents for identity and completeness. Once the verification process is completed, he is guided to the waiting area of the granting zone. When his token number appears on the display, he meets the granting officer who checks his application in the system for duplicity and other background information and then takes a decision on granting of the passport to citizen. Finally, he receives a letter confirming his passport approval at the exit counter in just 7 steps. Citizen has completed the requested formalities at the Passport Seva Kendra. His passport will now be dispatched in a few days once the police verification process has been completed. Passport Seva Kendras with a comfortable and pleasing ambience have been set up in several cities and towns. A total of 77 Passport Seva Kendras are being established across India. Has extended existing 37 passport offices. 15 mini Passport Seva Kendras are also being set up to bring remote area under the coverage of Passport Seva. A call center has also been established which operates round the clock 365 days a year. It uses a toll-free number.